In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Microsoft Outlook by turning an email into a task. This simple workflow is perfect for moments when your inbox is packed with messages that require follow-up or action, and you want a cleaner, more organized way to manage them. We'll start by signing in to your Microsoft Outlook account. Open your preferred web browser, head to the Outlook sign-in page, and log in. Once you're in, you'll land on the Outlook home screen, which is your hub for mail, calendar, and more. From here, click the Mail tab to open your inbox. Take a moment to scan through your messages and identify emails that contain clear action items, things you need to respond to, decisions you need to make, or tasks you can't afford to forget. When you spot one, click it to open and review the details so you know exactly what needs to happen next. With the email open, look toward the toolbar above the message. You'll see several options for managing your mail. Find the flag icon and click it. That's all it takes. The moment you flag the email, Outlook converts it into a task in the background, linking the task directly to the original message so you can revisit the context anytime. Now that it's a task, you can manage it like any other. Use the flag options to choose a due date, today, tomorrow, or a specific date that fits your timeline. If you rely on reminders, set one, so Outlook nudges you before the due date. You can also adjust the priority to indicate how important it is compared with everything else on your plate. These small adjustments go a long way in helping you stay on track. Here's a helpful tip. Take advantage of categories. Categorizing your tasks by project, client, or urgency gives you a quick visual system for sorting and focusing. Color-coded categories make it easier to see what needs attention at a glance and prevent you from feeling overwhelmed by a long list. And that's it. You've successfully turned an email into a task in Microsoft Outlook. With a bit of practice, this will become second nature, and you'll find it much easier to keep your inbox tidy while making sure action items don't slip through the cracks. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, feel free to leave a comment, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload.